Alright, what's up everyone? Hope everyone is doing okay. So in this video, I'll be honest, I just blew my 100k my 100k XFA from TopStep, and it's just so stupid, you know. The whole week we had very clean setups, and every single day. So when I'll be backtesting, when I'll do the backtesting video, I'll show you guys. Every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, every single day was a clean setup, and I should have made money, but somehow I just keep not respecting my rules and it's costing me my account. So now I need to make a new combine account and pass it again. So yeah, it sucks because like I have a good strategy, I know how to trade, I have good risk, I just can't follow my rules. So today we had a clean setup. I took the trade, but I was too greedy, aiming for more, which led me to take an L. And then I was mad that I took an L on a trade I'm supposed to win, so I took another trade, which I'm not allowed. I know I'm not allowed, and basically just blew the XFA. So I'm gonna get a 50k this time. The only reason I was getting higher, so 100k from TopStep, is because I was looking in the long term. So like the max contract is 10, so in the long term I could be risking 10 contract and making more money. But I just need to take in the present right now and even prove to myself that I can get a payout. So I want to get a 50k and start trading with it. And really the only thing left is just me following my rule. I know my strat work. The whole month the strat like has a 85 win rate for sure, 85% win rate, and you can go back test it for yourself. This week 100% W's, but somehow I don't know. So yeah, I need I don't have it here. I really need to stick to aiming for a 1 to 2 only, not more. One trade a day, 100% sure about it, and that's it. If I miss the setup, there's no other trade unless it pulls back. If I take an L or I take a W, once I'm in the trade, that's it. No moving stop losses, no moving take profit. Once I enter the trade, it need to be like, that's it, So yeah, that's basically it. Just me, I need to be less greedy. So what I'm gonna do is just aim for a 1 to 2, one trade per day. And I need the setup to be clear. If it's not clear, I'm just not gonna take it. So that's gonna be it. So let's get into the recap today. We had news at 10, 8:30. So let's start. And Sunday or Saturday, I'm gonna make a backtesting video about this whole week so you guys can see. Cleanest week yet so far, but I don't know, man. I know what I'm doing wrong, but So I think what ended up happening is because Monday and Tuesday I didn't take a single trade. I really wanted, to get some money for this week, so I was aiming for more and risking more, which I should have been doing. So yeah, that's basically what ended up happening, and I'm being full transparent, so it is what it is. I'll need to restart the 50k. So anyway, we marked everything up. On the 4 hour we had this gap over there. I didn't mark it, it's way too far. And we had this 1 hour gap, so be careful right there. How can you know? Well, wick, body, and then as we can see right there, rejection on the 1 hour time frame. So we go on the 5 minute. There's no need to adjust the 1 hour, so there's no need to refine it on the 5 minute. Why? Because we already seen price reacting off of the 1 hour. So right there, 7.55, 8, 35, and 30. So no need to adjust it, you know. Now the trade that I took today was this one right there, 9.25. We filled in London low, then rejected. From there I waited for the next candle, and it got me an entry like that. I was aiming, this thing flew. Once I entered, this thing flew right up. So I was aiming for this gap right there, which if I just aimed for a 1 to 2, I could have saved my whole account today. But like I said, I just need to follow my rules. That's the only thing holding me back right now in trading. So basically, I didn't break even, I didn't do nothing. I was just aiming right there and ended up coming back, stopping me out. So minus 500. From there I was like, oh no way, why did this just happen? As you can see, 9.35, you already know. Filled in Asia low and rejected. From there I was like, okay, I'll just take it from here, which I shouldn't have done, because I know that only one trade per day. Why? Because the first setup, once it happens, it happens. The other setups are less likely to play out. So anyway, I took a trade right there, right away, took an L, and from there the account was just gone. So yeah, basically that was the trade. Now, if I was just maybe more patient, or it's not even about patience, because that was the setup. The main setup was this right there, and that's it. Well, as you can see, the gap right there, we don't need confirmation for gaps once we already got confirmation right there. So by 10, we could have just entered right away and got our profit. If you need confirmation, 10.05 technically gave it, so you just enter right there. And by 10.10, you got your profit. So here, clean setup, here, clean setup. And yeah, that was for Thursday. So yeah, I'm gonna keep trading my strategy, same thing. I just need to follow my rules, and yeah, I'm gonna start at 50k. I'll keep posting videos about the trade recaps. And yeah, I'm just, how can I say? I am holding myself back, you know? So once I start actually taking trading seriously, I'll make money, you know? But there's no point forcing trades and whatnot, because I know that I'll be trading in 5 years, 10 years, so why am I rushing the process right now, you know? Might as well just lock in, focus, you know, and slowly improve, and from there, you know, start getting payouts. Strategy works, everything works, just in here now. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.